in this lecture, my dear students, I will discuss about two problems and give you some understanding of how do you solve two problems related to frequency modulation. Okay, first of all, in problem 1, a sinusoidal modulating waveform of amplitude of 5 volt and frequency 2 kilohertz has been given, is applied to the FM generator, which has a frequency sensitivity of 40 hertz volt. That means frequency sensitivity means KF has been given here, that is 40 hertz volt. FM has been given here 2 kilohertz. AM has been given here 5 volt, and we know the formula for frequency deviation del F is equal to KFAM. That means if you just put the value, you know this equation, you will get the frequency deviation. So the frequency deviation is 200 hertz. Now from there you can easily find out FC or carrier frequency too, but that's not the fact. The main factor is that we have to find out beta, modulation index of FM. So that is del F divided by FM. Just put the value, you will find out the beta is equal to 0.1. That means 10% modulation or modulation index is 0.1. To find out the bandwidth of the narrowband FM, that is a narrowband FM. First of all, you know that is the two type of FMs, narrowband and wideband. If it is less than 1, that is known as narrowband FM, and the bandwidth of this kind of FM is 2 into FM. That means frequency of modulating wave, then you will get 4 kilohertz. That is the narrowband FM wave band width. Now let us go through to the next problem, that is a problem 2, and FM wave is given by ST is equal to 20 cos 8 pi 10 to the power 6t plus 9 sine, that is a twice pi 10 to the power 3t. That is one kind of FM wave. So we have to keep on our mind this equation to compare this. That is the general equation of frequency modulation. So by this we can find out that is the FM, that is AC is equal to 20 volt, FC is equal to 4 10 to the power 6 hertz, that is 4 megahertz. FM is equal to 1 kilohertz, and by this you know FC and FM. You have to find out beta. There is a beta has been given here, beta is 9. To compare these two equations like that, the beta that is 9, so beta is equal to 9 volt. So the value of modulation index is greater than 1, that is a wideband FM. So for wideband FM you have to find out the formula of modulation index is that you have to find out del F. Okay, del F equal to beta FM. This frequency deviation, you have to find out frequency deviation. Del F is equal to 9 kilohertz. That is the frequency deviation of 9 kilohertz. In wideband FM, the bandwidth is, the formula of bandwidth is 2 into beta plus 1 FM. 2 into beta plus 1 FM. And if you substitute the beta and frequency of the modulating wave, you will get it right there, that is 20 kilohertz. And formula for power of FM wave is PC is equal to AC square divided by twice R. If you assume that R is equal to 1 ohm, that is quite similar to the AM modulation mathematics. So just put the values, you will get the power of FM wave is 200 watts. Thank you very much for being with me to understand this. So you have to keep on mind that particular formula, this bandwidth. If it is wideband, that is 2 beta plus 1 FM. If it's not, so it is 2 FM. So it's a comparison. There is some important equations to keep on your mind that will help you write better. Thank you very much.